Today we're looking at the Gemini Jets Emirates Boeing 7779 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in this nice red presentation box, which has the model of the plane on it, its scale, and the airline it flew with a nice Emirates logo here, with a red box to match the colour scheme of Emirates. As you can see, the plane inside the box with a nice window, so you can have it on display like this if you chose. And then on the back, we have an image of the plane here. Again, the name of the plane, the 7779, some specification information such as wingspan, length, height, and things of that nature, and a little bit about this plane, such as the fact that this plane is yet to even launch in their fleet. As you can see here, it says, own a replica of the world's largest and most efficient twin-engine jetliner before it's even launched in our fleet. So you can look at this model, look at this plane before it's even launched, and own a copy of it yourself. Now let's open it up and have a look at it. See, pops out quite easily. And there it is, in between these two pieces of plastic. Just take the top off. And there you have it. The Boeing 7779 in 1/400 scale before it's even taken flight. You can see it's a very nice detailed die-cast metal model, and it's a very long model, as the 777 is the largest twin-jet airliner in the world, and this particular model, the 7779, will be the longest airliner in the world, surpassing the record held by the Boeing 7478 currently. Let's look at the lovely detail. You see the very nice detailed jet engines. You can see the flaps, the ailerons, and the wingtips here on both sides. You can see we've got a little flag on the wingtips, and we've got logos on the jet engines. You can see the Emirates livery all across it, the big flag on the vertical stabilizer, and on the stabilizer you can see the rudders and the elevators on them. Here we have its registration of A6EZA, so when it takes flight, that's what you'll see. And over here we have the model of the plane written right here, Boeing 7779. Underneath we've got a big Emirates logo, and right there's a little space for a stand. Got some very nice detailed landing gear. Now this is a die-cast metal model, although these smaller parts may be more delicate, so you should always handle with care. So there's a little Gemini Jets logo there. Now let's turn the model around so you can see the cockpit. Turning it to the other side, and you can see the detail is all across this model. There's not a single spot on it that isn't kept to the same level. Now this model has a wingspan of about 16.2 centimeters and it's about 19.2 centimeters long. So as 1/400 scale Gemini Jets go, this is definitely one of the largest. It's a very, very nice model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.